Hey guys, I am going to be replacing my O2 sensor, and here's the new one. I just literally picked it up at O'Reilly's. I'm doing my bank one, and it connects into here, and the one at O'Reilly's was a direct fit, so it was really nice. I think it was about $120, I think. But there it is. Just comes down. Fits right there. I found that it was way easy to just jack it up and have my wrench, and I grabbed another wrench and I just made a breaker bar out of it. So I don't know if people have done this, but this is and just fit it inside there. If I can get it to work with one hand. So like that, and then it just gives you like more leverage, makes it a breaker bar. I actually found a breaker bar that connects to that, and it's way cool. It works really great. So anyways, I will start pulling this off and I'll come back. Okay, I got the old one off. So got the new one right here. Here's the old and new side by side. The new one comes with some grease, some seal. It helps the threads, helps it not lock up on you if you have to take it off again. So I'm gonna apply just a little bit to the threads, and I don't know if you can see. But anyways, there it is. It wasn't too bad once I got the leverage to pull it off. But anyways, so let me get this put on and I'll just kind of show you real quick when I come back, and hopefully this will take care of my check engine light. This is what the OBD said, that the computer was telling me that it was the bank one. So anyways, I'll be back. There it is, the new one installed. So I just kind of passed it up. I tightened it, passed it up. Hopefully I can grab it. That's simple. Okay, thanks for watching.